The Redmi Note 5 India launch has been confirmed at the event Xiaomi is hosting in New Delhi, with the company's India head Manu Jain and the product manager Jay Moni taking the stage to showcase the device. The biggest change in the new Redmi Note 5 compared to its predecessor is the bezel-less design, 18:9 aspect ratio, and larger 5.99-inch display. The Redmi Note 5 battery capacity is 4000 mAh battery, and it is half a millimeter thinner than last year's model. With these features, Redmi Note 5 will have to live up to a lot because of the success its predecessor enjoyed. But the smartphone won't be the only thing Xiaomi launches at the event, as the Mi TV4 and the Redmi Note 5 Pro is also expected to be unveiled alongside the Redmi Note 5. The Redmi Note 5 camera will include a 12-megapixel sensor with f/2.2 aperture, 1.25 micron pixel size, PDAF, and an LED flash module. The company spoke about its HDR algorithm that enhances photos to deliver improved quality over the previous models in this range. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 625 processor, and there are two variants: -3GB RAM plus 32GB storage, and 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage. The company has designed a special charger exclusively for the Indian market, and will be giving a transparent silicon case free with the device. Apart from the Redmi Note 5, the company is also bringing in the Redmi Note 5 Pro model in India, making it the handset's global debut. The Pro handset packs the Snapdragon 636 processor under the hood, and has a dual camera setup on the back, with 12-megapixel plus 5-megapixel sensors. It will come with only one internal storage option, 64GB, and two RAM variants, -4GB and 6GB. Both the Pro model and its sibling will be the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Price in India will start at 9,999 rupees for the variant with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, and 11,999 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage option. As for the Redmi Note 5 Pro, price in India, buyers will have to spend 13,999 rupees for the 4GB RAM variant and rupees 16,999 for the 6GB RAM model. There is no official word yet on the availability, but we can expect the handset to become available for purchase on the 22nd of February via the flash sale model from both Flipkart and Mi.com. It may hit offline stores too at a later stage. Available in 4 color options, namely black, lake blue, gold, and rose gold. If you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.